What is going on, everyone? It's Brad here at Doogie's Dugout. I've got a retail box of Topps 2023 Series 2. Ordered this from Walmart. It actually arrived in like 2 days, so I was kind of surprised how fast it was. So I'm excited to get into this rip. Have not tried the retail box. 24 packs, 16 cards per pack. A lot of cards to go through. So if you guys are ready, I am ready. Let's get into it. I will definitely be going over the odds as I pull them, so be on the lookout for that. All right. Well, that's a little bit too thick. So, dude, do we have a lumber? I swear. Dude, we have I think that's a lumber. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is getting out of control. I've never pulled a heavy lumber in Series 1. And I probably ripped a ton of it. There's a Casey Mize out of $4.99, so not too shabby there. We do have a Tristan Casas and the Topps Chrome, so that's pretty cool. Like to see that. Clayton Kershaw All-Star, and we have a Stars of MLB Christopher Morel. If that's another heavy lumber, this is insane. This would be my third heavy lumber. Victor Robles is our retail royal blue. We have another card backward. Ooh, it's a gold. Hayden Wazinski. I'm already loving the retail, this retail box. And we're only like 2-3 packs in. Holy cow. Josh Young. Stars of MLB. Wow, let's sleeve up some stuff. All right, if this is a heavy lumber, I don't know. This is going to be nuts. This is going to be nutty. Here we have Francisco Alvarez, Stars of MLB. It is. Holy cow, guys. We have our third heavy lumber. Let's see. I'm hoping for a Shohei. Come on. Shohei heavy lumber. Show it to me. Oh, that's a right-handed batter. Houston. Jose Altuve. Woo-wee! Oh my gosh, I have a home field advantage behind it? No way! You've got to be kidding me. A home field advantage right behind it. Here's a spacer or sensor. We have got to see, what is this? Okay, we have Clayton Kershaw. We have a Javier Baez. And then we have a home field advantage right behind Josh Young, home field advantage. What is going on here? What just happened? We have a Houston. We have a problem. Texas. We have a problem here. Back-to-back Texas hits. I'm sorry. I'm kind of blown away right now. This is nutty. This is absolutely, I don't know what to say. This is like, oh my gosh. What in the world? Three Good Nerds. I know you live in Texas. Did I get your retail box by mistake? What happened? Holy moly. Dude, we're only like 3 or 4 packs in. Oh my gosh, there's a Yoshida. This is insane. We have a home run challenge card. Kyle Schwarber. Go ahead and pick him. I'm picking him for the weekly home run challenge. He's going against the Cubbies this week, so I'm definitely picking him. So check out that video. Put your prediction in, yes or no, if he's going to hit a home run. And you could win some prizes, some cards. So if you guys want to enter, it's real easy. Corbin Carroll, Three Good Nerds, and Cards by Mark, they are doing it as well. What is this backwards? Dude, this is a relic. We have a relic. Yeah, it's a relic. I feel it right here. What? Is this is this a Texas Jose Altuve box? What? I'm again, guys. I'm just. It's not the players. I mean, Josh Young is, but I mean, it's the hits. What? I'm only 6 packs in. I'm just now finishing up my 6th pack. Shohei, Freddie Freeman is our favorite son. I'm speechless. Let's get into these other 6 packs. All right, guys, if there's any indication that these next 6 packs follow that, this is definitely a hot box. I mean, it already is a hot box with those 3 hits right there alone. This is unreal. I honestly cannot believe it. We have a Ha-Seong Kim and the World Baseball Classics. Gabriel Moreno, Stars. Security tag. Corbin Carroll, that's a nice one. In the 88. Gunnar Henderson, rookie card, Stars of MLB. Miguel Cabrera, Stars of MLB. So yeah, it's definitely cooled off. These other 3 packs, or 6 packs here. We have a Chrome, Carlos Correa, Stars of MLB Chrome. And Carlos Correa, regular Stars of MLB. We have a Royal Blue coming up. For the outfield, it says, ooh, there's all aces too coming up. Ooh wee! Oh baby, that looks great too. Look at that. I don't see any white around any of those edges. This card looks fabulous for grading. And I know every time I pull them, I say it, but Dave Durango, eat your heart out. Eat it out. Because Yoshida has been following me in Series 2. That is very sharp. I don't see, like I said, all around looks beautiful. Oh man. Let's see what this all aces is. Logan Webb. Giancarlo Stanton. We have a security tag. Dude, we are 11 minutes in, and I can't believe we're only halfway through the box. Babe Ruth, 80 All-Star 88, and Jacob deGrom. All right, let's get into these 6 more packs here. All right, Corey Kluber leads it off. Anthony Volpe rookie. We have a Stars of MLB, Eloy Jimenez. Going against my Angels this week. We do have a backwards. Let's rip the Band-Aid off. Nathan Eovaldi, another Texas hit, rainbow foil. Austin Riley is our Stars. Here we have Legends of the Game insert. Big Poppy, David Ortiz. Very sharp there. I like that. There's a Jose Altuve Stars of MLB. Another security tag. Ooh. We do have one of those blue foils out of $9.99, Rodolfo Castro. Very sharp. I'll sleeve that up. Miguel Cabrera in the 88, All-Star. Anthony Rizzo, Stars of MLB. All we need now is like a SSP to finish this off. Or an auto, which I don't think we will because we already have the Relic. But if we get an SSP in this, I don't know. I will. Giancarlo Stanton is a Chrome, Topps Chrome Stars of MLB, and then Paul Goldschmidt. Sleeve him up here. All right, guys, here we go. Last 6 packs of the retail box. Can we have any more fire? Any more fuel? Ooh, we do have a gold card of the ex-Angels, Andrew Heaney. Is this not a Texas box? Seriously. Look at all the Texas hits. I mean, there's a Boston and Pittsburgh, but look at it. Look, I mean, we have them here, here, here. This is definitely a Texas box. Another home run challenge. Freddie Freeman, very cool. I would definitely be able to use that. Joey Votto, Stars of MLB. We have a World Baseball Classics coming up. Mike Trout, there we go. Salute, baby. There we go, Mike Trout. And Kyle Schwarber. We're down to the last 3 packs or so right here. James Outman. Honestly, guys, I really do appreciate you tuning in, checking out the rip here. We have a story time, probably rainbow foil. So there we go with another foil. 88, Roberto Clemente. Salvador Perez is our Stars of MLB. Logan O'Hoppe rookie card. Getting down to the last few packs here. Yordan Alvarez. And then our last pack. Anything left in the tank? No, that is it. Xander Bogaerts. Let me pause the video and then we'll gather up the hits here. All right, fellas, let's wrap up things here with the hits here. We have Legends of the Game, David Ortiz. We had 3 of the Topps Chrome Stars of MLB, Giancarlo Stanton, Carlos Correa, Tristan Casas. The 2 Home Run Challenge cards, Freddie Freeman, Kyle Schwarber. Love those Home Run Challenge cards. Definitely take those. Victor Robles was our Royal Blue. Hayden Wazinski, sports card ripping teacher. Not sure how this rookie is. You can drop a comment below. Let me know how he is. Andrew Heaney in the gold. So we had 2 gold cards out of 2023. Rodolfo Castro. We did get 1 out of 999. So there's that. We have a Casey Mize out of 499. Green foil. We did manage to hit a Relic, Major League Material Relic, Jose Altuve. We did manage to get a Jose Altuve Heavy Lumber. This is just nuts. Josh Young, Home Field Advantage, another nutty card. I don't know what's going on here. And then Yoshida in the Royal Blue. So there you have it, guys. There is the retail box, all in a nutshell. Unbelievable. This blows away probably a jumbo box. Even though I haven't ripped them, I've seen them. This is amazing. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to support the channel, please hit that like button. It really does go a long way with supporting. So drop a comment below. Let me know if you picked any of this up. If you ripped a box, let me know how you did. So thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe. We'll see you at the next one. See ya.